Humans are born with a variety of different personality types. In psychology, there are people who belong to the lone wolf personality type. Well, most wolves usually live in packs. But there is one wolf that is different from wolves in general. That wolf is called a lone wolf because he tends to separate himself. In the human context, this type of lone wolf is an individualist. One, prefer to work alone. You don't actually have any social constraints. But when it comes to work, you'd rather show your best when working alone than in a team. They can be more confident when they work on their own. 2. You understand yourself very well. You have very good self-knowledge. You know better what your strengths and weaknesses are. You know what's the best way for you to do things. 3. You are very protective of your boundaries, in contrast to people pleasers who find it hard to say no to things. The lone wolf type easily says no or rejects it against things that don't fit within its boundaries. 4. You are independent in making decisions. You are not easily influenced by other people's validation. You have your own personal values and standards. You are also not the type of person who easily changes their mind in making decisions, especially in your personal matters. 5. Alone doesn't mean lonely. This type of person often rejects invitations to socialize with the crowd because their social energy is limited. It doesn't mean they don't need or value other people. The lone wolf does not really prioritize social relationships.